Hi, my name is Jack. Thank you for watching. Today I want to do some sharing about sponsorship advertising business model. This is something I learned along the way when I'm doing sales. Hopefully this gives you some idea what you can do with it. Okay, let's start with a marathon event organizer. Okay, so basically I use this as a metaphor to explain how these things work. Okay, I use marathon as an example. So basically what they need to do is first to tell the public about the event they're going to run, the marathon event. Okay, they do some online and offline advertisements, they announce to the public, I'm doing a charity run, something like that. Okay, then at the same time they go and find some sponsorships that telling the company, I'm doing this charity run. Okay, charity run. Okay, are you willing to sponsor us in some terms, or we want to cooperate together? Okay, we want to work together on this kind of charity run, because a lot of brands and companies, they do a lot of CSR, they want some activity, they need some exposure, so they are willing to give it a try on this kind of event because they still need some ways to publicize their brand, okay, to create awareness. Okay, then they will pay some money to the event organizer, and then they will print their logo in the back of t-shirts. Okay, normally you see those marathon run, there at least some logos in the t-shirts. Okay, so this is how things work. But this thing doesn't stop here. How about the people who want to join the run? Okay, when the advertisement come out, okay, people saw this. Okay, they are interested. They are going to pay the money to get the nice t-shirts and then join the run. Okay, so basically the event organizer need to make sure they can deliver the t-shirt nicely to the people who want to join the run, make sure the event runs perfectly, and at the same time feedback to the company how many people join the run. Okay, so this is what I call sponsorship advertising. Okay, so this is very a good way for you to kickstart if you don't have any things to do, or if you want to build awareness, or if you don't have capitals. Why not leverage this kind of business model to help you? But it doesn't stop here. If a lot of people aware on your events, okay, this actually gives you more opportunity to raise more fund, because the things doesn't stop by t-shirts. It can also be goodie bags, some banners, drinks, and gift as well. So this is all into the event. Okay, I will still remember last time I joined some marathon run when I was in secondary school. The reason I joined because first of all the nice t-shirt. Second thing is when after the run, I get 2 full bags of goodie bag going back home. Okay, inside is all sponsors item. So this is a very good way to advertise your product. In the same time, the people who want to join the run, they can have fun, and then the event organizer basically make a lot of money. Okay, so where do you see this model? Basically, it's in most of the big events. Okay, so like PC fair, wedding fairs, or whatever fair you saw in the shopping mall. Basically, they operate like this. It's just that their model is slightly different. They change from t-shirt to a venue. Okay, they just find a venue first, do some advertisements, then they find audience customers to come into this venue, and at the same time they find people who want to get published, okay, or they want to get people to know about their products to come into this venue. So they are creating a platform for that. And then beside that, small event organizer also do something else. Another example like children's event. Example like Children's Day. Okay, if you saw when you go to Children's Day, sometimes children bring back home a bag of junk food or whatever, and then you saw the bag with some logos. Okay, that it's a sponsorship advertising model. Okay, basically the school go and find sponsorships. Okay, collect monies from the sponsor. At the same time, they are collecting money from children that they are doing this event. So this works well with children's as well. Okay, beside that, public talk, charity events, and some of the NGO activities is the same. Every time you attend some of these this talk or this events, if they give you some bags, okay, just take a notice who are the sponsors. You've got platinum sponsor, silver sponsor, gold sponsor. So this is all sponsorships, okay? And then not at least YouTuber, blogger, and online advertisement. So this is also the same as well, especially YouTuber. YouTuber has a lot of audience that the corporate wants, okay? So this is why that a lot of people are trying to be YouTuber, influencer, something like that, because they have the audience that the corporate wants. So you are creating a channel, a platform, connecting two dots together. So this is for my sharing today. So my name is Jack Yap. Hope to, if you want to know more how this thing can work for your business, give me a call, drop me a comment, or send me a email so that I can advise you how I can work with you in this. Thank you.